So the API is universal. We don't have kind of localized versions of the API, but we do configure features based on, potentially local regulatory requirements or partner requests. So sometimes we work with people on a fully disclosed basis. Sometimes we work with people on an omnibus basis. In some jurisdictions, we support fully paid securities lending. In some jurisdictions, that's not permitted. So there are a number of different configurations that we might employ. The goal of our business is to reach, a very sort of high operating leverage and scalability. And so, we want to build things once and use them many times. And so as we add features, maybe that's a feature for a digital wallet in the United States, for example, well, that becomes available then for, a bank in Brazil to consider. And so people who maybe are incumbents but want to compete with the disruptors now have that, kind of in their toolbox to employ if they choose. And so we often find that we work with, one or two particularly innovative companies on a feature, deploy it, and then it becomes kind of table stakes for more of the industry. We're working with, in the United States, we work with, a leading digital wallet called Cash App. We work with neobanks, like in Europe, we're with Revolut. We work with major, fintechs like Toss Securities in Korea. And we recently announced that we're going to power the US securities investing product for BTG Pactual out of Brazil. And so I think that, between winners like that, you get really, really good ideas and you're able to kind of parse them and prioritize them and then bring them to market and let everybody benefit from that all being available on the API.